Hello again, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a corpus and a document for annotation. So we're going to hit the structure menu and then corpus, and then you'll have a list of the corpora that you have created. You see that this is the corpus that I mentioned in the previous video, in the annotation video, the corpus test frame annotation. And here is the document test with the two sentences that I had shown you. So now, to create a new corpus, you just right-click corpus and then hit new corpus. And then you can type in, so for example, CRP test tutorial, and then you hit save. And then the corpus was created, and once again you can edit the language specific names and descriptions for the corpus. I'm not going to do it because you already know how to do it. Okay, so here is the corpus test tutorial, and then you can add a document for this corpus. I will add the document test tutorial, and now you have to choose the genre for this test. Of course, you can add new genres. I'm going just to add that this is a, let's say, for example, essay, right? And you can put the author here. I'm going to say it's Thiago and hit save, right? So the corpus was created. Once again, you can edit the language specific descriptions if you want, and the document was created here. But why did you do that? Because every time you're going to use the utils here to import, for example, a full text for annotation, you need to choose the language for annotation, so for example, English, and you need to enter a document in a corpus. So if you hadn't created the corpus and the document, then you wouldn't be able to upload the full text to the correct document. So just start typing doc, and then I can find it here, right? Doc test tutorial, and then I can choose a file and just upload this file. So I'm going to choose the same file with the sentences in the test, right? So here it is, and send, and then I'm going to get that the full text was loaded successfully. And if I go to the annotation corpus mode, the new corpus that I created is here, and the document is here with the two sentences, right? And then once again, you can click the sentence and do the annotation, right? So you can hit testing, and you see that the test frame is here, and you hit save, and then you get the annotation again. Right? You will see that I have created new frame elements, because in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to build relations between frame elements and between frames. Okay? So that's it for this one.